Wizardry on the beat.
Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Wizardry once again with another video, and in this video I'm showing you how I made the Juice WRLD type beat that I uploaded a while ago. So if you find any value in this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, share the video as well, and comment below if you what do you want to see next. And without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So this is a sample that I've used. It is kind of in the background. I have made another melody that will go on top of this sample. I'll show you that melody later, but first let's take a look at this guitar sample. Yeah, so this was the sample, and I have also done some EQ on this sample. I'll just quickly show you that. So the first EQ is just removing some highs and lows, and the second one is uh, removing some resonating frequencies from the sample. Now this is the second melody. This is the main melody of the track. So this is what it sounds without any effect. Yeah, so the first thing I did was an EQ for removing the highs and the lows. Then I'm removing some resonating frequencies from this. Then this is the effect that gives makes the guitar what it is. So I'm using arpeggio delay, a preset in guitar rig, and then again an EQ because it adds some kind of distortion. Yeah, so that is all with the melodic section. I'll just show you how it sounds all together. Now I'll just show you the drums that I've made in this whole track. So I've used this hi-hat just for the verses. It's just a simple pattern, I haven't done much to it. That's all with the drums. Let me just show you the drums all together without any melodic elements.